Is the Euro US dollar price about to turn? My name is John Kibler, Senior Market Analyst, and this video is brought to you by Blueberry. The Euro US dollar price continues to fall, but will this last? The price is rejecting the key resistance lows of 1.06 and is on its way to reaching the 2023 lows of 1.0475. The combination of low growth, political uncertainty and a strong US dollar has seen prices fall 716 pips in 33 trading days. This makes it difficult to be a buyer of the euro right now, and other currencies are taking advantage, including the Canadian dollar. However, the US dollar fortunes could be about to turn. First, we need to understand the relationship between Treasury bonds and the US dollar, so please bear with me. Think of a seesaw. When bond prices go up, the yield or the return that you earn goes down because you're paying more for the same fixed payout. When bond prices go down, the yield goes up because you're paying less for that same payout. Let's compare the correlation of the 5-year T-notes or 5-year bonds to the US dollar index. As we can see, there is an inverse relationship. When the bond falls, the US dollar rallies, and conversely, when the bonds rise, the dollar falls. Now, I promise you, this is where it gets interesting. The COT reports show a long signal on the 5-year T-note futures. So if the correlation is anything to go by and this market turns, we could assume the US dollar will too. Now let's bring this back to the euro. In November to December, we have a very strong seasonal pattern. Looking at the stats over 20 years, this has been successful 14 times. The seasonal pattern has also worked out the last 8 years in a row. So in conclusion, if the bonds rise, the yields will fall. This could be negative for the US dollar. If this occurs, we could look for currencies that are strong or have seasonal patterns like the euro. Please remember to take into account the technicals will provide confirmation. Also remember, this is just an opinion and not a trading signal. Please do your own research.